Hi guys, welcome
Hello,
back to another
yeah.
video, and that's my stupid brother right there. Uh, as you see, shut up, stupid. Um, um, Today we are playing YVA, and we are gonna 1v1 this stupid lagging shark. Yeah, that guy. You might be wondering,
I'm,
what is my stand?
bro, I'm still
I don't
lagging.
know. He never stops talking, okay? Okay. Wow. If you zoom up close, it's creepy. Um, yeah. So we're gonna 1v1 with this monster. I'm a cool kid. You see those chains? I just got them. Oh,
Can you do your intro again?
uh, uh, why? What? Uh, oh God. You still lagging, bro? I can see that. When I start the 1v1, hey, hey, I start the 1v1.
Stop.
What, are you gonna die? I think not, okay.
Bro,
What else?
stop.
What I want? I already stopped,
Okay, okay,
bro.
okay.
You wanna 1v1 now?
Bro, my push to talk button is dash.
What?
So when I talk, I dash.
Wait, what?
I don't think I'm gonna be talking, right?
Your
Okay, I haven't
talk
checked my
button?
stat yet. I haven't checked the storage. I just joined the game and haven't checked anything. So if I press Q, we're gonna see my stand.
Oh my god, it's like an error for me. Oh god, you have
Um,
Hammond. You have Hammond. Oh no.
okay, I Hermit Purple.
Okay,
I mean, I do have.
I have White Snake. I can cancel. I can cancel that Hammond.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay, okay, okay,
okay,
okay.
okay.
I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna get close here or something.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Three,
Yeah.
2, 1, go! Hermit Purple can be blocked easily. You know that, bro?
Bruh.
Bro. I wish I had Simon so I can combo you. Oh no, oh no. God. Oh no. How you can punch me? What a new. Oh no. Haha, you did nothing. I can move, I can move. What a scam.
I'm like,
I can see that. Thank you for lagging. Now you can let me heal. Yeah, it's a heal off.
oh god, someone else is calling me on Discord.
Okay, okay. Wait, wait, I forgot. God, I can move. God, just... what I hate if you get comboed by. Oh God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Stop it! 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 Stop
Bro,
it!
I'm lagging.
Stop it!
FPS.
Stop it! Stop! Oh God, where are you? God, please don't get any closer. Boop, boop, boop. You're easy to dodge and, well, not easy to dodge, easy to deflect.
I died.
Wow, reset. You. Okay, ready?
Try to beat you even if I'm
3, 2, 1, go. Ah, nerd. Right. God, you move so fast. Just stop. Oh, what a nerd. Oh, stop it. I didn't call you a nerd. You called me a nerd. Ah, wait. You're floating in there. No. You move so fast. Oh, God. What? You're such a scam. What a scam. Thank you for letting me heal. Okay, okay. Oh God, thank you for letting me heal. God, please stop. What a nerd. What? Scam. Scam, I tell you. No! Glad I didn't hit that police officer. God. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Mommy. Ah, I'm recording. Ah. No, 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 no. What are No, you're hacking.
Okay,
You're
nice one,
hacking.
nice one.